Hi guys, and welcome to Friday, bringing you another edition of Mixup Corner with me, Caroline Osama. Well, today the words we're going to be looking at are LOSS, pronounced as loss, and LOST, pronounced as lost. So now when we say loss, it simply means a state of losing something. So people lose their loved ones, so we say, I'm sorry for your loss, okay? And it's also a situation where you are not able to make any profit, so profit and loss. Now when we say lost, it simply means to lose something, but the past tense of lose, so I lost it. To be lost also can mean someone who is confused, or in religion, people who are damned for eternal hellfire or something like that. So that's the difference. Loss, L-O-S-S, okay, is pronounced as loss, and then L-O-S-T is pronounced as lost. Don't get it mixed up.